Chino. Hey, Chin. Hey, you finish everything. Finish everything. Hey, how to do? Chin. Chin. Correct. Okay. Ina this biya. Hey, it's okay. Okay, now guys, they just took the something. Now let's get ready and look at them. Now they hey. Okay, now get ready to see them starting with alright. This thing is going to work slowly in them, alright? It's going to work slowly in them. It's a medicine. Actually, it helps to cast away headaches. If you have headache and you take it, it will help you to get the headaches out, alright? Help you to get the headaches out. So in no time, they will start to do the sneezing thing, but it might take some time because it's working in them, alright? It's working in them. It will take some time, alright? Yeah. Okay. Let's see who will not do that stuff. The one who will do that stuff is a genius. It's a genius. Try not to sneeze. Let's see if they can actually do that. If they will not sneeze, let's see. It's starting. I can see it's starting with them. This guy just said his own is coming.